Okie doke, this is how you do the Getting Around the World folder. So the first thing you want to look at is the resources. The resources is the folder that has all the files you'll need to finish this folder. All right, here's the video telling you what to do. Down here are the files. These are the same picture, they're just in a different format. So click on the first one, and if it opens for you, you're golden. Bam. From here, what I do, because this is kind of like a scavenger hunt thing that you're going to have to finish and mark on here. So go here to open and then in paint, because you're going to need to do this in paint later, but we'll get back to that. After you've taken a look at the resources, please take a look at Understanding Latitude and Longitude. Okay, this is the textbook. This is me talking.
Understanding Latitude and Longitude.
How fun. Read this section. Watch this video, please. After that, Latitude and Longitude video and game. It's very exciting. You've got the video from before if you need a review. Then here are the directions on how to play this game. Click on the link. Play this game, please. When you're done playing the game, next you have a forum. Forums are exciting. So you're going to use this website to find the latitude and longitude for your city, not your house, your city. Click here. It's got all the directions listed on this page. So when you say, I don't know how, I'm going to quiz you on these directions, so be careful. First thing you do is zoom, and then you don't want to zoom in on Africa, so you click and drag over. Hit zoom. You don't want to zoom in on Mexico. Click and drag over. Do not hit zoom too many times, or you might zoom in on like New Orleans. So now click and drag over, zoom, click and drag, zoom. And when you're pretty close, click the center red marker button. Click and drag this to your hometown. Found it. Sorry. Bam, right there. And then you've got the latitude and longitude right down here. You can copy and paste. Notice how I did it for my city, not my house. Copy and paste the latitude and longitude up here in the forum. I clicked reply, and then I can just type it in the forum. Okay. Once you've copied and pasted those numbers, click post reply, and you are done. Last but not least, you have the latitude and longitude project. Open this up. This is where you're going to submit it. Remember, I told you you were going to follow directions on this drawing in Microsoft Paint. Mark the location. First set of directions say, mark the location 26 degrees north, 105 degrees west with a black X. So using this letter marker, you click down here, click on the screen, and then X. So it's tiny, and I don't love that. So I'm going to make it larger. I highlighted it with my mouse, came up to the top, and let's make it 22 font. Now I can't see it. So we're going to take and put our mouse until we see the diagonal arrow, and then click and drag. Now we see it. Clicking on the outside corners of the box, you can move the X. So pretend the answer's right here. It's not right there. Next says, mark this location with a green X. Change your color to green. Come down to the bottom, make an X. There we go. Click and drag the box to the spot you want it. That's not the right answer necessarily. Next is a blue X. Next is a red X. Last is a yellow star. To do a yellow star, you do home, change your color to yellow, change your other color to yellow, and then here's the star right here. So look, we click and drag to make it the size we want. We can make it smaller so it fits better on the map. And you click on the box. It's a little tricky because it is so small. Maybe we resize it once we get it up there. Ooh, you have to do it on the map. I told you the wrong thing. So find the spot on the map where you know the answer is, click and drag it onto that spot, and then you're done. So now, once you're done, File, Well, actually, that's not file anymore. It's just this weird little symbol. I'm used to it saying file. Then save as. And you want to pick a location to save it. This is documents. You could choose to save it in your documents, but here's my good habit that I've gotten into. I click on desktop and I make a folder for each course. So here's my social studies folder. I'm going to right click, hit new, and folder. And then it pops this up. I'm going to call this social studies. Good. Now double click. And see, now we're in the social studies folder. Going to put my last name in the title of the assignment and hit save. Once I've hit save, I can click submit assignment. I can click browse because I'm going to browse for my folder. And then from the desktop, I find the folder called social studies and there's my file. So I'm going to click open. Give it a beat before you hit anything because I messed it up when I didn't. So while you wait, type a comment to me. This is my project. You don't have to, but then you hit submit assignment and then it should submit it. If you have any questions, please let me know.